So here we have an oscilloscope with the Y gain set to 1 volt per division and the time base set to 5 milliseconds per division. We have a 1.5 volt cell here. We're going to connect the black end of the oscilloscope to the negative terminal of the battery and the red part of the oscilloscope into the positive terminal of the battery. Now we're going to switch the polarity. So we have the red end of the oscilloscope going into the black terminal, the negative terminal of the battery, and the black to the red. So now we have a main supply on top, and we're going to connect the black end of the oscilloscope into the negative mains terminal and the red to the red. Now we're going to disconnect the black and the red and place them into the yellow terminals of the main power supply.